Hi everyone, welcome to the Mott Motorcycles YouTube channel. Just wanted to show you around this lovely Yamaha MT-07 in blue, which we've recently taken in. It's in very good condition, and for the year and the mileage is quite lower than usual. There is a Yamaha clear sports screen fitted to the bike. As always, we do always recommend a radiator guard, which you may have seen in our other videos. But it's pretty much stock other than that. So it's free to whoever's blank canvas. A lot of people normally end up modifying these with tail tidies, exhausts, various protection, etc. But this one is a nice standard, easygoing bike. It's one of Yamaha's most reliable engines as well. It's a parallel inline twin. And it sounds great, which we'll get this started up for you in a moment. And it sounds just as good as it looks. Mark just from their boot. This would be a really good bike for someone who's just starting out or even looking to potentially downsize. And it's recently been serviced by us as well, so it's gone through the workshop for a full service. I believe it was the 6,000 mile service or an annual service, and it will come with a service check sheet and a diagnostics report as well. The mileage on the bike is 6,873. We'll just start her up. Nice clean start, and we'll get the hazards going, and you've got obviously the high beam as well. So it's got full LED lighting in terms of the headlight and the indicators. Especially just riding it, and the torque and the feel, the handling, which is why they've been one of Yamaha's best sellers for years now. This one comes with all the 2 black keys and a red key, so everything as it should. And just to show you, this is the sports screen which is fitted. It also offers good protection for the dashboard as well. Most of the things to show you around this bike, but if you have any questions, give the team a call on 01256 841 110, and the rest of the service history and owners will be in the advert. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.